When I sing of Cornwall, it's one way to begin, to tell the story of the men of copper, fish and tin. From sea that's all around us to way below the ground, the story of our mighty men is gathered all around. So let's hear it for Trelawney, may his army never die. Let's hear it for Trevithick, with his engine steaming by. Let's hear it for the farmers and for the fishermen. Let's hear it for the miners who we hope will mine again. From the engine houses they scattered round Cornbray, to the white and hostile landscape contoured in the china clay. From Harbours here at Newlyn, at Padstow and at Lew, the lighthouse on the Wolf Rock proves what Cornish boys can do. So let's hear it for Trelawney, may his army never die. Let's hear it for Trevithick, with his engine steaming by. Let's hear it for the farmers and for the fishermen. Let's hear it for the miners who we hope will mine again. Cornish past is mighty, it was built by mighty men, and as Cornish men we yearn for those times to come again. Or do we let our mining, our fishing round us fall? Not if we stick together with our motto one and all. So let's hear it for Trelawney, may his army never die. Let's hear it for Trevithick, with his engine steaming by. Let's hear it for the farmers and for the fishermen. Let's hear it for the miners who we hope will mine again. When you cross the Tamar into this promised land, there's one thing to remember, one thing to understand. Cornwall's not a county decided in the west. No, Cornwall is a country and the land we love the best. So let's hear it for Trelawney, may his army never die. Let's hear it for Trevithick, with his engine steaming by. Let's hear it for the farmers and for the fishermen. Let's hear it for the miners who we hope will mine again. So let's hear it for Trelawney, may his army never die. Let's hear it for Trevithick, with his engine steaming by. Let's hear it for the farmers and for the fishermen. Let's hear it for the miners who we hope will mine again.